Have you ever considered the possibilities of integrating inkjet technology onto your existing equipment? How about transforming your analog applications into profitable single-pass hybrid production? Welcome to an inkjet integration story made possible through the collaboration of First Tape and Label and Colordyne Technologies. In the next few minutes, we invite you to witness the tangible benefits of integrating single-pass process color inkjet technology onto an existing flexo press. Now, here is a story of practical innovation and profitability.